I have pastors who have called to ask. Pastors have booked for sessions to make their Agbola strong. Because if you turn your bedroom to boardroom and you always tell your wife stories, it will shock you. Do you know that some pastors' wife are buying knacking toy to use because organo degree knack? See, there is a time in a woman's life that she will desire penetration and you are not available. If she doesn't want to cheat, she will start thinking of what to do. So we need to reduce the level at which the devil are giving people reason to want to make mistake. If we sweep knacking or anything that concerns knacking talk off the table to address it well and do it right and sweep it off where light can reach so that people can gain the knowledge of light, because knowledge is light. If we sweep it into the dark, the devil will have a chance to create misconception in the minds of people and make people commit sin and do the wrong thing. It is time the church, doctors, parents, government starts educating people right about intercourse. It is not about penetration or duration, it's about connection. It's about commitment. It's about discipline.